Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this quick video, I'll show you free vibe coding in VS OpenAI. Now, quick one guys, to get started, just come on top over here on your Chrome, then go ahead and search for VS Coding. Once you search for VS Coding, open up this first website. This is an open source AI. Now you can either choose to download for Windows. For my case, I'll just go ahead and continue with the web. Once you click on that, now you need to run a few setups over here. For this case, you can either first come over here and open up a channel. So you open up a channel, just click on this and then choose Microsoft account. Okay. Then over here, just click on allow. And over here, you need to verify your Microsoft account. All right. So basically, that's it. And once you're done, you can go ahead and open up a new session whereby you can run and then start recording for free. So basically, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We shall meet